Hey y'all, I'm back. Welcome back to QB Wig Collections. Yes, I am in a different space. Yes, I'm back. Yes, okay. Can y'all tell I'm excited? Back to my channel. So if you can't tell already, I am in a whole new space, much bigger. So excited. I can't wait to show you guys around, to show you where I've got. This is my first week here in this studio, which is almost double the size of my last studio. So let's take a tour. Okay, so here is the main door to my salon suite, as you can see. And if we take a tour around, still got my TV up, all my color, all of my products and utensils and things like that. Of course, all of my licenses up on the wall, shampoo area, color, sanitation area as well, more storage for shampoo. And the one wall that everyone that walks by my salon absolutely love, my hair wall, my wig wall. I have so many wigs available for sale. You guys know, check out my website if you want to purchase a wig. QBWigCollections.com. I got my raw Indian wavy hair over here that you guys can definitely purchase off my website. And then we got the raw Indian curly hair. Beautiful, especially this brown one right here, so nice. Then you have the Burmese curly hair, love it, most popular. That's the hair that I have in my hair right now. And then I am going to try to keep some tape-ins in stock. These are tape-ins right here. So tape-ins and maybe some eye tips that are coming, I'm gonna try to keep in stock from 18 to 22 inches, which is my most popular lengths for eye tips and tape-ins. So I'm gonna try to keep those in stock. So for those of you who are in the area, you can definitely pick them up. If you're not, order them off the website and you can get them sooner than, waiting the custom order time period. Then I have all my storage cabinets, my coffee and candy and snacks for my clients, all of the products that I sell, design essentials, of course, all of my QB products, all of my cabinetry. Everybody asks me where I get my cabinets. I got them from IKEA, had to build them myself. Very easy, but time consuming building these, but I love them. So all of my clients, snacks and coffee and tea, things like that. All of the beverages for my clients as well. Stella Rose, wine, water, Gatorade, Canada Dry, whatever they need. All of my storage is over here. I don't know what I want to put over here in this area, but for now I keep my mop, my broom, my wig stands and some bags and stuff over here. And now I have a wonderful view of the outside parking lot, so I can see when anybody is pulling up. So I love the new windows that I got. Let me back up. I know the lighting is a little different because I'm facing the windows now, but I love my windows now. Way more natural light, which makes the room a whole lot brighter, and I absolutely love it. So this is my area. I definitely have to put some kind of shelving or cabinets over here so then I can kind of have more space to work with for working with my clients. I might end up getting another one of these cabinets and just putting it over here maybe. I gotta figure out something because I definitely need more space over here for me when I do my clients. Then I have my mirror. That's me. Hey y'all, hey, that's me. I'm gonna get a different mirror for up here. This is my old mirror, so I'm probably gonna get a mirror with dark black trim like all of my furniture. And I just have a desk over here for when I am working, kind of pull up a chair and work there. I'm gonna actually make this into something else, my packaging station for when I am packaging all your guys' orders. I'm gonna bring all my boxes, my bags, tissue paper, everything here, and then I'm gonna have it over here so then I can package all your guys' orders in a timely manner. So I think that's pretty much it, you guys. My whole salon suite, much bigger than before, and I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. So come to QB Wig Collections. I'm still in the same building, just a different suite. Suite 115 now. And then you guys can definitely try on and, you know, take some wigs home, take some bundles home if you need them, order them online and select pickup if you need to. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I am so in love with everything. I can't even wait to service more and more clients. So that's it. My salon tour, my new salon suite that I have, so I can service you guys way better than before and hopefully get you guys to come into the salon. If you can't come into the salon, that is absolutely fine. We can make your custom wig. We can ship you guys out some hair. Go to qbwigcollections.com and we can service your needs with no problem. All right. So I thank you guys for watching this small salon tour. I am so excited to get started with everything, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right. Bye.